In this quick video, I'll show you how to insert a word count function into your MS Word document. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So let's suppose I want to count all of these words into number. So for that, firstly we need to place our text cursor here and then enter on your keyboard and make your text cursor on top of your words so that we will get updated number of words from our document. Now to insert a count function, firstly go to insert tab from the top bar and now click on quick parse. Then this option will appear. Click on field and from the categories section make sure to select document information and under field name select here num words and now tap on OK, and this is the number of words from your document. Now if I type here something, let me just type it here, and to update it, as you can see it is not updated. So to update it we just need to select the number, right click on it and then tap on update field and your number will be updated. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.